Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to ventilate a closure, and I'm going to tell you why your closure comes out differently. And these are two different types of closure, this one and these two. I'm going to be showing you why it comes out differently. Now the first thing I do is to give a center line, ventilate center line, then ventilate. I'm using 2x6 closure net for this, and for this first part I'm ventilating diagonal. I'm leaving out one single hole when I'm ventilating, and this method is going to give me a different look. So if you want to ventilate this part or this type of closure with this method, you are going to get a different look. So keep watching. After I'm done ventilating, I'm going to fill up the front part. After I'm done ventilating diagonal, I'm filling up the front part, picking it randomly, and this is what I'm going to do till I'm done. This is how it looks like. Coming over to this side, I'm going to ventilate diagonal again. So the method that I used the other side, I'm going to repeat it this side. Alright, I'm done. So what I want to make known to you guys is that if you are ventilating diagonal or if you are ventilating with this method, the closure is going to come as if you are ventilating a T closure. So if it's 2x6, 2x4, 4x6, whichever measurement you use, know that ventilating this part or this type is going to give you a T closure, which means this one that I ventilated 2x6 closure net, the front net is going to be showing because of the method that I used. So this method is T closure net, even if it's 2x6, 2x4, 4x6, whichever measurements you want. As far as you want to ventilate this method, know that you are ventilating a T closure and the net will be showing. Now the second part that I want to ventilate, the second method, as usual, give a demarcation, is the center line. Ventilate the center line and do the method. I'm going to be telling you why you should do this method and the difference between the first one and this method. For this second method, I'm ventilating it sideways. So if you observe the first closure, the way that I ventilated it is different from this one. The first one, I ventilated it facing the front. For this second one, I'm ventilating it facing the sideways. And when ventilating, any way that you face to ventilate, any way you face your needle to ventilate, that's how your closure, or that's how whatever you are ventilating is going to look like. Now I'm leaving out one single hole as usual to ventilate the next one. This is what I'm going to be doing till I complete this, and I'm going to tell you why you should do it this way and why you should do it the other way. So keep watching. The difference between this one and the first method is that this one, the net is not going to be showing like the first one when you make your wig, and the first one is for T closure, while this one is just for a closure. This is how it looks like. Both of them are perfectly okay, so you choose the one you think is good. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in my next video. Bye.